Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. And today is Monday, so happy Monday. We're doing mini Mondays. We have $32 today to cash stuff or play with, I should say. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited for everybody that is new here. Hey, welcome. I've seen that I have gotten quite a few followings or a few subscribers, I should say. I'm so excited that you guys are so here with this journey here that I'm trying to become debt free. So I'm so excited for everyone that is new here and for everyone that has been here for a long time. I appreciate all of you guys, no matter if you're 1 day old, 1 year old, or year and a half old, whatever the amount it is. I'm thankful and blessed that you guys are here. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? By the way, do not mind my nails. I know you can't tell, but promising you, up close, they're bad. This is the bad set I have ever done. So you know that I am trying my best not to spend money at the nail salon, and I told myself this year I was going to buy myself some dipping powder, and I sure did. And this is the worst I have ever gotten my nails, done like myself. Okay, I'm trying to fix the natural lighting, you guys. Okay, I hope this is good. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this saving challenge or mini saving roll the dice type of thing. I'm sorry. I love to talk. I love to ramble, as you can see. All right. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I'm so excited. I'm not sure who is going to win this time, but I'm excited. Okay. Let's put this right here right now. Let's move this here. Did you guys have a great weekend? Let me know. I sure did. We finally had a Saturday off with my husband and the kids. And so I was so excited to have a day off finally. First Saturday in a long, long time. If you're new here, my husband and I, we work together. And yeah. All right. So let's see how today's goes. I'm so excited. So a pump. Okay. And then I will fix this in just a second because we need to take a little thumbnail. All right, let's see. Ooh, yes. I love how this lighting is looking over here. Okay. Let's take a thumbnail, shall we? Okay, hold on. All right, where do I leave the money? I don't know. Right here? I don't know. In the thumbnail? All right, hold on. All right, here we go. Okay, girlfriends. Now let's put my hands over here. Yeah. All right. I know. I'm very specific, right? All right. Thumbnail. Cheese. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each dollar is going to get $1. There is some 5s in there. I'm not sure how many. Maybe like 2 this time. Right here, I did change this number to $1 each, so I only have a few left because I don't want to take forever to finish that. So mini Mondays are going to be number 1 through 4, no bigger than that. So yeah, okay, let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. A 5, okay. A 3, awesome. This is the biggest dice, and like always, it never fails. We're gonna redo number 4. So like I was saying, it never fails. This roll the dice, a 5, is from Dollar Tree. A 1. I just loved it. I was like, I can't be spending that much money, and we got a 5. I was like, I can't spend a lot of money. So I was like, let's go to, of course, redo. Let's go to Dollar Tree and see what I can find. And they had a red and a blue, and I grabbed the blue. And I was like, this is perfect. A 2. I was like, this is perfect. I was like, I can spend $1.25. Even though the one that I'm eyeing, ooh, another one. Even though the one I'm eyeing, ooh, let's see who's going to get number 5. A 1. The 1 got a 5. Woo, woo. I think we're done with that one already. A 1. I don't know if you can tell. Like I was saying, I was like, of course, it never fails. Like I forgot I was saying a 3. Yeah, so there's some rolling dice on Etsy that I really like. Finally, a 6. And I was like, you know what? Let me just do this first. But I think I like this one better because it's so big and everyone can see it, you know? A 5, okay. And we got a 2. All right. A 3. Let's see who's going to get the other 5. Number 5. Okay. We have few dollars left. Wow. Number 1 definitely got so much. Wow. Oh my gosh. I was about to say wow again. I thought it was going to be, yeah. Okay. Last one. Here we go. And a 4. Okay. Awesome sauce. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and see who is gonna win. I'm not sure who, but we shall see. Okay, here we go. All right, guys. So this one right here, it is for $3, and we had one from last time left over. So let's see how much this one is going to get. So this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we finished, I think so. Hopefully, I mean, let's not count our victory before we even know. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, so let's see, $13. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep. Okay, we have one left. One left, and we're gonna be done with this one. Oh my goodness. See, this is what it's mini Monday, because it's small victories. I love small victories. Okay, so that's 3, 6, and this one is a 9 and a 12. All right, so 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're left with $1 again. And I know for next time, which is going to be for Freaky Wednesday, we're going to complete this one. There's no way, Jose, we're not going to complete this one. Oh, yes, we are. Oh, yes, we are. That's exciting. Okay, nice. So that one got 13. I mean, 12. All right, 12 on that one. And this one has a 1, 2, and 3. $3, and we have 1, 2, and a 3. So each of them, I made it a 1, even though I was gonna do the bigger number, but for mini Mondays, we can't do that. So guys, we only have one left on this one as well, and we're gonna be done with that one. Yep, we're gonna finish it, hopefully, knock on wood, we're gonna finish it on Freaky Wednesday. Oh my gosh, I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. So if you're new here, Freaky Wednesday means that all my 12 challenges combined with Mini Monday and Freebie Friday, they all get into the role in here, and they all try their best to get as much love as they can. So that's why it's called Freaky Wednesday. I know, it's a weird name, right? I know. All right, we got 3 this time. And last time it had another 3, so we can only do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can only do 1, and that means we are left with 2 for the next time. Oh my goodness. It's okay. But this one for sure will save me a good amount of money, because each of them are $4. So yeah, so this one is from my Ko-fi shop. This is from Reynolds Budgets. On her Ko-fi shop, if I'm not mistaken. I will leave everyone's that I announce, or everyone that I use for today, on my description, so you guys can go look them up. Okay, next, let's see. This one got $3, and we are left with a 1 from last time, so that means we're gonna do a 4. This one's a little naughty. Okay, I know not everyone likes freaky stuff, and that's okay. It's not that it's just freaky, you know, you gotta spike things up here and there, you know. We can't be too, oh my God, hallelujah, you know. Sorry, I was trying to say, Virgen Maria. I don't know. A song came in my head. I'm sorry. A song came in my head, like this song that gets played in like a Mexican TV show or Hispanic show. And I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm a hot mess, okay? That was just inappropriate for this, okay? That's all I have to say. I'm so sorry, okay? I didn't mean to offend anyone. It was just, yeah, sometimes my jokes don't come out the right way. Anyway, so this one right here got a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means we have $1 left because this right here, it's for $2. So that's going to be an 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is from Crafted Coco, I believe, and I will put her name in the description box, no worries, so you guys can check her out. I believe this was a freebie though from my little order that I did from her clip. So yeah, so that is nice. This one will also save me $46. I'm so excited. I'm so close. Look at that. I am very close, you guys. Awesome. Okay, awesome. All right. Last but not least is this one right here. This one got $2 and it doesn't have anything from last time. So that means we're not going to do this one because each heart equals a 3. So you guys, the one that got the most was the first one, number 1. It got 12 if I'm not mistaken. What? 12. All right, awesome. Now let's go ahead and put them back. And yes, so if you're watching here and you're still watching, comment a blue heart. A blue heart, so I know that you watched the whole video. I'm so excited because it helps out with my watch hour. I was checking my watch hour right now and it dropped maybe like 6. No. It dropped maybe like 10. It probably dropped only 10 numbers, but I'm excited because it's going slowly. It's moving in slowly, and you know I'm excited. So yeah, so I appreciate all of you guys that have been playing my playlist. Thank you so much. I will put in the a screenshot here how much my watch hour it is for today, for this Monday. And yeah, so oh my gosh, look how thick this thing is. Ooh-wee. Look at that. I love it. All right, guys, I can't even close it. Nope, I'm not even gonna try it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday, for Cash Stuffing Tuesday. Yay! We're gonna be cash stuffing my envelope here, which is this one, and also I'm getting my oil done today, my car oil done today. And I don't know which filter I'm going to do. I think I need 2 filters. Maybe I may need one. I don't know if I need both filters. But I don't have much money, you guys. But that's okay. I won't be able to stuff before I go. But I know I have some money to stuff. Maybe like $40 more to cash stuff. But you guys won't see it because by the time Tuesday, I would already have gone. I just haven't gone yet, but I don't know how much it's going to be. But so far here, I think we have 80. Yeah, 80 and $40 more. So I believe I should be fine. We will see though. But I'll keep you guys posted on Tuesday to see how much money I ended up paying with my little discount coupon that I have and the filter. So I don't know. We will see. But anyways, guys, I hope you have a lovely Monday. And I see you guys on Tuesday. I'm so excited. All right. Bye. Take care. Love you guys.